In the morning, FPL crews from our area will head north to help restore power after the storm's impact.
Storm Team 5 Chief Meteorologist Steve Weigel now with the 11 o'clock update on Florence and two more systems in the tropics. Steve?
Yes, we have some new information to pass along to you. Isaac has weakened, at least temporarily, to a tropical storm. Florence continues as a major Category 4 hurricane and may intensify a little bit more. We have this little system here. It's actually now a 60% chance of developing as it moves from the Caribbean into the Gulf of Mexico. And here's a look at our three storms here. Isaac, as I said, now a tropical storm and two hurricanes, and another area disturbed weather that has about a 50-50 chance of developing. A lot to talk about. First, a look at Florence, an incredible hurricane, very reminiscent of exactly a year ago with Irma. Well-developed, well-protected hurricane. You can see the bright reds. An indication that the convection and the inner core of this is very, very stable and unlikely to weaken much. There's some dry air entrained on the southern side of this, but that's more than likely just temporary. It'll work its way out, and not a lot of wind shear over very open, warm water, too. Here's the forecast track, taking it into the Carolina coastline on Thursday. There's 8 p.m., so that track has slowed down a little bit as a Category 4 hurricane, and then even after that, it's a significant storm with 15, potentially 20 inches of rain as it slows down, maybe even higher amounts. With the latest computer runs, you'll notice that the tracks bring it to the Carolina coast, and then a lot of them either weaken it and sit it here, or they do little loops and just with rain over days and days. So that'll be something that they'll have to watch in that area too. So Florence for later this week along the Carolina coastline. We also have Isaac, which is a tropical storm. Still looks pretty impressive and is forecast to become a hurricane once again, and then weaken back down to a tropical storm just to the south of Haiti. That'll be Saturday evening. Now, what does this storm do? It really depends on just how strong it is out day 4 and 5. If it's a little bit stronger, more than likely it'll come in across the islands and could become a threat to Florida. Or with a weaker system, it would keep on a more westerly track. That's what a lot of the models have at this point, and of course that's what we'll hope for too. Helene expected to continue to turn north and really no threat to land at all.